Hello everyone, welcome back to Gossipfunda, and today we are going to fix an issue which I faced personally. So the issue was that I was unable to find the Wi-Fi setting on my PC, and not just from taskbar menu, it completely disappeared from my PC. So in this video we're gonna talk about the ways by which we can get our Wi-Fi setting back on our laptop. So the first way is just a simple restart, because sometimes this issue is caused by some glitches. The second way is to run a troubleshoot. This will help you to know the exact problem. To run a troubleshoot, go to settings, go to system, go to troubleshoot, go to other troubleshooter, and on the option of network and internet, click on run, and after the completion of the process, you will get to know about the exact problem. The second way is to reset the network adapters, and this is the way by which I fixed my issue. To reset network adapters, first of all go to settings, then go to network and internet. Now you can see the option of Wi-Fi, but before that it was not there. Anyway, scroll down and go to advanced settings. Now click on network reset and then select the option of reset now. Once you select this option, then after the completion of the process, your PC will be restarted and your issue will be resolved. So these were some ways to fix your issue. I hope this video helps. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. You can also visit our website from the link in description. Thank you so much. See you soon.